The US Food and Drug Administration says COVID-19 vaccinations could begin as early as Monday or Tuesday. It hopes to complete the approval of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccination in the next 2 days. But another candidate being developed by French and British companies has suffered a setback. Lucia Riera reports.
GSK and Sanofi say their vaccine won't be available until the end of 2021. Bad news for the European drug makers, whose early trials showed the vaccine produced an insufficient immune response in older adults. The product needs to be refined to protect people of all ages. A phase 2 study is due to start next February, and if the results are positive, they will move on to phase 3 in the second quarter of the year. Meanwhile, the EU is aiming to begin distributing vaccines by the end of the year. The German Chancellor hopes improved coordination among member states will ensure it gets to everyone as soon as possible.
We talked about it being very important that the vaccines are delivered in a coordinated way, that they arrive everywhere at the same time. Whether we can do it down to the hour in 27 member states so that the needle goes in at the same second everywhere, I don't know. But we have resolved that we will do this in a very coordinated way and show that we have all equal access to the vaccine.
Separately, in the US, a big step's been taken towards urgent approval of Pfizer and BioNTech's vaccine. By a large majority and after almost 10 hours of debate, a committee advising the FDA has endorsed its emergency use in people aged 16 and over. However, Pfizer's vaccine will not yet be approved in Australia, where the Prime Minister wants citizens to have confidence in the product first. The Australian government is cautious after having scrapped a deal to buy millions of doses of a potential local vaccine because it had produced false positive results to HIV tests.
The decision we've taken should give Australians great assurance that we are proceeding carefully, we are moving swiftly, but not with any undue haste here.
While scientific research continues, the British company AstraZeneca and Russia will start exploring the combination of their COVID vaccines in order to intensify its effectiveness. Lucia Riera, Euronews.